Today, we are going to show you how to use the Test Briquette Maker. So, if you look down here, you'll see we've got all the components. These components form part of the press kit. On this side, we've got the center guide pipe, piston, cylinder with holes, and a wooden compression block for the cylinder to rest on during compression. To make briquettes, you basically start with a longer angled iron stake with a cross brace welded onto it, and this would be actually forced into the ground with a sledgehammer, hitting it on the top here until the cross brace is flush with the ground. Not going to do that here, just a demonstration. So first of all, place the wooden block down like this. Put the PVC cylinder through the supporting ring, and let it rest onto the block and fitting it over the alignment washer. Followed by the galvanized center guide pipe. And now we get some material, which is basically just a slurry mix consisting of sawdust, paper, and water mixed together. So here we see the mix that I'm using. Just draining off some excess water. Now we pour the material. Doesn't matter which side you pour, it evens out. We usually have a bucket or something at the bottom to catch the water and unused material. We are going to make a short briquette for this demonstration. Slide in the PVC piston like this. These pistons are easy to lathe, or you can also make them out of hardwood timber. Now we start with the compression stroke. You can actually stand on this piston and hold on to a wall or ladder. Put some really good pressure on it. And expel as much water as you can through the holes in the cylinder. Now remove the piston. Remove the galvanized center guide pipe. Lift the cylinder up and position it on the eject lip. Extrude the briquette by inserting the piston into the cylinder. Slowly push down on the piston whilst grabbing the briquette below. The briquette is extruded. Leave the piston to rest on the eject lip. Now just leave it in the sun to dry. Thank you for watching.